How to use Microsoft Teams mobile app. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're diving into how to use the Microsoft Teams mobile app on your phone. Whether you're on iOS or Android, the app works similarly on both platforms. I'll be showing you on an iPhone, but the steps are the same for Android users too. If you're ready to manage your teams and collaborate on the go, let's get started. First, head to the App Store. If you're on iPhone or Google Play, if you're on Android, and search for Microsoft Teams. Once installed, open the app and sign in using your Microsoft account. If you already use Microsoft Teams on desktop, just use the same login details and everything will sync seamlessly. After signing in, tap on the Teams icon at the bottom. If you're starting from scratch, hit the plus icon at the top to create a new team. And here, you can give your team a name, adjust privacy settings, and invite members by their email or name. If someone has already invited you to a team, you'll see it here as well, and you can just join the team directly. Inside each team, you can organize different topics using channels. Tap the three dots next to the team's name to manage channels, add new ones or change their visibility. You can also manage team members by tapping on Manage Members to see who's already in your team and add more people if needed. Next up is the chat feature, where you can start a one-on-one conversation or a group chat with multiple members. Simply tap the plus icon to start a new chat, enter the person's email or select a contact, and you're ready to go. From within a chat, you can also make video or voice calls by tapping the respective icons at the top of the screen. It's great for quick meetings on the go. Now, let's talk about meetings. In the Meetings tab, you can either join scheduled meetings or create a new one. Just tap Create Meeting, set the date, time and title, and you'll get a link to share with others. When it's time, tap Join to start the meeting directly from your phone. You can even test your video and microphone settings before joining. To stay updated, the Activity tab will show you everything happening across your teams, such as mentions, replies, or file shares. You can filter the activity to only show your actions or focus on team interactions. And lastly, don't forget the settings. Tap on the top to adjust your status to available, busy, or away. You can also manage notifications and check for updates in the settings menu. If you're part of multiple organizations or teams, you can easily switch between them here. And that's it. You're now ready to use Microsoft Teams on your mobile device to collaborate, chat, and even manage your work from anywhere. If this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up.